Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye, and we are the TheRcSaylors.
We've got way too excited.
A mini drone to share with you.
That's why he's way too excited.
He says, please let me chase it, please, 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 please. So, we're gonna fly a little. He doesn't even
know that this is what it is.
He just knows that something is gonna fly from the table and he's gonna chase it. Okay, this is a ready to fly little micro drone. It has folding arms. It has a very nice little transmitter, and it is Wi-Fi FPV. Comes in around 32 bucks.
And the camera
tilts up and down.
Tilts.
Yeah, now
manually.
Manually on the ground, but that is cool because usually in this size
and price range,
they don't do that.
Yeah.
So folding arms is nice, and one to boot. Usually these little guys are more fun to fly. I think we both think when they have the Wi-Fi FPV, when they have altitude hold.
Yeah.
And this one does. So it has rates and flips and altitude hold. It comes with 4 spare props. You get your prop guards, little USB charge cable, and the battery is removable. Now, it comes with this little proprietary case around the battery, but you would not have to use that case.
Yep.
It just fits in there nicely. You could easily just put in your own battery that has the same plug.
Yep.
And fly and maybe put a little piece of tape on there just to hold it in.
Yeah, the connection is really easily accessible from
and
the
it's
outside.
not a proprietary battery type, just a little case.
Right.
So download the free app that is in the instructions with the QR code.
I think we have flips, rates, takeoff, return, headless, and land.
Yeah.
I was forgetting something.
Yeah. Abby's going to fly this. This is right up her alley. Remember, guys, maybe about a month ago we had the DM104. I think that was the name of it. I told you guys it'd be a great little beginner drone, and it is, but it sold out in like 2 hours after we did our video. It sold out really fast. Well, this doesn't have the little prop guards around it, but...
Well, you can put little prop guards on it.
Yeah, it comes with them, but it's not the same style.
Right.
You know, these guys, they do the job. But these are in stock, so I think as long as it flies well, this is going to be a contender with that little DM104. But we're going to let Abby fly it and see what she thinks, and then you might want to click that link. So we'll have it in the description box below, and let's fly this.
Right off the bat, big disappointment. I connected to the only Wi-Fi signal that was popping up here at our house, which was it's called HTS. That's the only one I'm getting, and it shows nothing. So the Wi-Fi signal on mine is a no-go, and I checked the instructions and everything. Did what I was supposed to.
lot of trial and error off camera. So this one, the camera stuff's not working, but we want to see how it flies. So what we'll do is we'll link this version, but we'll also see if there's a non-camera version and try to link that too.
I don't know if there is one or not.
Yeah.
So auto takeoff button. Gosh, what's wrong with this? It's not like responding.
Really?
At all.
Wow. Maybe try to increase the rates. Click the left stick.
Okay. Got it under control after that auto takeoff. Way too high of an auto takeoff, but it's definitely like it needs trimmed.
Okay.
And it seems like the altitude keeps gaining on its own.
Oops. I'm sorry, that's my phone. Let me turn that off.
Good job, Nathan.
Hey, this is just real world. That's my family calling.
But yeah, it definitely needs trimmed a lot. A lot. And I'm not usually the one to do this.
Well, how about maybe land it and I'll see how it does unless you want to keep flying. You're welcome to fly and trim it and stuff. You got me curious though. You know, that's why we do our videos, guys. We try to find stuff that's good and tell you when it's good, but also it's important for us to find stuff that is bad too, so you don't waste your money on it.
It does like slowly gain altitude, but now that I got it trimmed up, it's doing way better. Like, now I gotta go to the left a little bit, but it's way more easy to control. You're able to fly it around a lot better.
It looks pretty cool.
One thing I like a lot about this drone is this red light.
Yeah.
in the back.
Yeah.
This must be rate 1 because that was a really slow and terrible yaw.
Into the pole.
Terrible.
It's my turn. It's my turn. I'm just curious because you said you were struggling with it.
I don't mind. You go ahead.
Otherwise, I mean, you can just fly if you want to, but
I think everybody likes to see both of our opinions anyways. So
sure.
I just think that was probably bad. Yeah, that auto takeoff. I just think it was bad that I started off first.
Yeah, it is climbing on its own.
I told you.
And it's drifting to the left, so
Yeah, I probably over trimmed it.
that's okay. We'll see here. Just trying to get it. It climbs, so if I adjust its altitude, that was me, it seems like it just goes back up a hair.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't want to stay where I want it to stay.
There it goes.
It has a little mind of its own. Well, let's try the different rates. There's rate 2, so we're going to be a little zippier now.
Not as zippy as we want though.
No, but not bad. It's still climbing, which
So
is
rate
awful.
3.
Rate 3. And yaw is affected, so
But it almost seems like it doesn't. Just do yaw. Don't do cyclones. Just
okay.
do yaw because it seems like it's a very wide yaw. Like it doesn't do it in place. Yeah, it doesn't like.
That's rate 1. That's rate 1.
Okay, do rate 3.
Okay. Just
Yeah, like see how it like circles with y'all? Like
Yeah.
it's almost like it's cycloning instead of y'all. That's why the turns are so bad.
Yeah. Huh.
Try a flip.
Yeah, we need to try the flips. Oh, we're getting a low battery.
Flip,
Oh,
flip.
that's all we got.
No, no flip.
Hold on. Maybe.
Oh, bye-bye.
I'm going to try to take off again. We're getting a low battery indicator, but I want to try to do the flip. Okay, let's see if we can pull one off. Nope, it won't let us when the battery is low. So I hit the auto land.
That worked nicely.
Yeah, it's a really nice little drone.
And I know we didn't get to test headless or return to home, but usually in this price range, it's just a joke anyways, so don't worry about that.
So the price point for something like this is about $10 too high because the camera function didn't work. We've featured other things on the channel before and half this price point that just perform better, and I think that is why you guys keep coming back to our channel, because we're not going to tell you to buy something when it's junk.
I think we're both kind of let down on this one, honestly. Yeah. From the camera not working to the auto takeoff being ridiculous with the altitude, it just keeps going up.
The camera tilts and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty cool, but it's just
let down.
Not all there. It's not a name brand, you know. It's not like it's eSheen or anyone that's made other drones before that we've heard of. I think
just
it's
JX. That's all I've found on it.
Yeah, you know, it looked promising, but it would honestly be probably a waste of your money. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. But more importantly, we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below. If you were considering buying this or something like this and we saved you 30 bucks, then maybe give us $5 just to say thanks for saving me even more money, and we'll even send you some RC Sailors stickers. To those of you that are our current patrons, we thank you so much for supporting us and giving us the ability to continue to feature stuff like this on the channel. We couldn't do it without you. And one final quick little shout out, since I'm wearing their shirt, we have the RC After Hours guys. We're probably going to be on their show soon, within a week or two.
The next couple weeks.
We'll have their Facebook page linked in the description box below around our Patreon links and stuff. And I encourage you guys to go check them out. They do podcasts mostly, but they also have videos of their podcasts.
Yeah, so they do live feed podcast too on Facebook almost every Sunday morning. But this coming Sunday morning, I don't believe you'll see one because it's Easter.
And it's mostly about aviation stuff.
Oh yeah.
So if you've never heard of them, and a lot of you guys probably haven't, they have a lot of fun. It's Chris, Roncaglione, Mike, and then Andre out of Canada.
Yeah.
He's always on a screen in the back. So if you guys do stop by and check them out, make sure you say, hey, we just thought we'd see what your channel and your videos and podcasts are all about. We're here from the RC Sailors, and just let them know we said hi. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.